Good evening, dear friends. So today I'll discuss on the topic variables and data types in Python. So first of all I'll discuss on variable, then I'll discuss on the data type. So what is variable? Here variable is a name of memory location. For example, you want to store any number. Of course you will store 75, 35. If you want to store your name, right, name is what? That name is a collection of characters. Of course that will store into the memory, but where? In the particular address. But you don't know what is address of the memory. You cannot identify that particular location name. Okay, so you can give the name to the particular location to identify that value, to fetch that value, to use that value in the program. Of course, why we store a value? To use that, right? So to identify the particular location, you use a particular name. That name is called variable name. It holds temporary value. Why temporary value? Because it can be variant during execution of the program. But there are some rules to define variable name. First of all, the variable name cannot start with any of the digits, it means any of the number. It can only start with any alphabet or underscore sign. A variable name cannot contain any special symbol, any spaces or any reserved keyword. Even variable name can only start with alphabet or underscore sign. And variables in Python are case sensitive. It means capital A and small a both are different, right? If we talk about the particular variable name, start with how, like variable name can be A1, but it cannot start with number. It cannot be 1A, right? So these rules we have to follow when we declare variable. But in Python there is no need to declare variable. Directly we use a variable. Okay. Now I'm talking about data types. In Python mainly we work on the 5 kind of data types: numbers, string, list, tuples and dictionary. If I talk about the numeric data type, so numeric data type of course holds numeric values. Of course again it's divided into 4 parts: integer, float, complex number and boolean. What is integer? Integers are the numbers which are used to store the whole numbers, like x equal to 34 and y equals to 128, 126, whole numbers, which means non-decimal value. If you want to store the decimal value, so you will take float data type, like x equal to 34.69. Complex number which holds the particular value with j, okay, like x equals to 10 plus 5j. So these are the imaginary values. Booleans store true or false. Like here you can see a number is a particular variable which is taking the particular expression 7 is greater than 4. Of course 7 is greater than 4, that is true, that's why it will print true. It means it will store the value true. If I write here 4 is greater than 7, of course it is false, so then it will store the value false. Now I am telling you how to use it. So first of all I am going to start IDLE. I am clicking on start button. I am typing IDLE. Here you can see IDLE Python 3.10 64-bit is given here. Now it is interactive mode of IDLE. I'm telling you that how to use any variable. Like I am taking variable A equals to 67. So here it is a particular variable which is storing integer kind of value. So if you want to find out the type of the variable, so you will use that particular function type. And A, here you can see class is int. It means it is integer kind of value. Now I'm writing b equals to 90.56. If you want to know the type, again you will use type function. In bracket we will write b, so then you can see it is showing class float. Now I'm telling you how to use complex number. Like I'm taking c equals to 12 plus 7j. Now if you want to know the type C, complex number. Now boolean value, I'm taking variable d, I'm using a 78 is greater than 90. Of course it is not. Now I want to know the type, boolean, bool. And if you want to print these variables, so how to print? Print a, 67 is printing. Print b, 90.56, it is floating kind of value. Print c, particular complex number, okay, and at the end I'll print d. So friends, today I discussed on the particular numeric data type. In next video I'll discuss on string kind of data type. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.